Hey, how you doing? Justin here. I'm super excited today to announce the release of my practice assistant over on JustinGuitar.com. It's been over a year in development, and I think we've created an incredible tool for guitar players all around the world. This thing will track how much time you're putting into the guitar and track information and statistics about the things that you're practicing. You can write your own practice schedule from scratch, or download a template to edit, or grab individual items from the website lessons you're doing. You can add songs into your routine with just a couple of clicks too. The statistic tracking can be an awesome motivational tool, especially for beginners who might want to keep track of how many chord changes they can do in a minute. More advanced players might find it super helpful too for things like keeping track of metronome speeds for scale practice. And by the way, there's a metronome built right into the practice assistant too. To find the Practice Assistant, just log into your free JustinGuitar.com account and click on the Practice tab. On the About page, there's a video explaining exactly what everything does and how to make the most of it. And did I mention it's free? It's actually really free. I have some incredible new features that I would like to add to this thing, but great developers don't come cheap, so I am going to need your support if I'm going to continue to improve this feature and keep it free for everyone. So if you love it, if you find yourself using it every day, please consider making a donation to JustinGuitar.com. I really appreciate your support. I really hope this helps you on your guitar journey, and I'll see you for plenty of lessons very soon. You'll take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.